Good luck to you. You're going to have to make better choices. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you.
I just wanted to say, and I've never really been in a situation or watched situations like this so much. And, you know, you deserve that spot up there. The things that you do for these people, I'm watching, and I've been here several times. The things that you do for these kids, I've seen it before. Like, these judges just don't care. And I hope you sit up there as long as you can, Miss Boyd. Like, you're doing a real good job. And I appreciate what you're doing for these people. Really.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
What you've made my day today. Because sometimes you always wonder if there's something else you could do, if you're doing the right thing.
You go above and beyond, ma'am, and people don't do that these days, and I really appreciate it. And I don't even know these people that you're doing this stuff for. And I hope you sit up there as long as you can. You deserve it.
Oh, thank you so much. You have a great day, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good morning. Court is calling 2021 CR4.
Okay, hold up. Did we just witness a full courtroom mic drop? That's got to be the most heartfelt thank you ever given to a judge and in court, no less. But don't blink, because now we're about to shift from appreciation to probation. Violation.
510 State versus Ruby Benton Court. Can I have parties announce?
Megan Galloway for the state.
And are you Ruby Benton Court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? And for the state?
Duffy Pitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Balik sila ko good for Miss Benton Court.
All right. And are you the same Ruby Benton Court who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 4510 for the offense of credit debit card abuse on July 20th, 2021 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Sir.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 5 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Ruby Benton Court, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of February through September 2022 in violation of condition number 4.
That true just sealed her fate. When a defendant pleads true to a violation, the court doesn't need a trial, it moves straight to sentencing. Think of it like pleading guilty, but specifically for violating probation. It's a legal shortcut with long consequences.
How do you plead for that? True or not true?
True.
State. Are you waiving the remaining allegation?
State will waive and abandon the remaining violation. Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right, no problem. Any objections?
Yeah.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Sir.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there proposed agreement?
Yes, there is, Your Honor. That is to grant the state's motion to revoke probationer, but to sentence under 1244 for 300 days Bexar County jail with a felony conviction.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, what has she done on probation? Any objection to the court reviewing the court summary?
None from the state, Your Honor.
None from the defense.
And there it is. Judge Boyd is not buying it. You can almost feel her patience hitting the red zone. She's scanning for any effort from the defendant and coming up empty. Question for you. If you were a judge, would you give someone a break after that many missed check-ins?
All right, what I can do, I can tell y'all, I'm not inclined to grant a sentence under 1244. According to the court summary, she hasn't done anything. Have you done anything?
Have I
All right, could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, did you report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, they say that you've been missing since February 2022. Did you report February of 2022?
I don't recall, Your Honor, honestly.
March, April, May, June, July, August, September,
I reported the first year.
and then you just stopped reporting.
I was under the assumption that It was only for a year, Your Honor.
No, you were not under that assumption. Let me tell you why you were not under that assumption. Because your probation was extended. So that means that you know that.
What do you? Okay.
So you haven't done anything.
Yeah, my understanding, she had a family situation. Her dad passed away.
Mhm.
And my understanding was during COVID.
All right, I'm not inclined to give you a 1244 because you haven't done anything. It says here on the court summary, you didn't report for the months of February through September 2022, November through December 2022, January through March 2023. Field officers have made 11 field visits during this time. They made frequent contact with you, telling you you need to report. And they're like, your last report to probation was a virtual office visit in October. And they said it was an intervention.
Or yikes. She didn't do community service, didn't finish her course, barely answered her phone. What part of probation was she actually on? At this point, Judge Boyd might as well be sentencing a ghost.
Urging you to report. And it says the probation officer has responded with phone calls and texts. And their last time they made a phone call was February 2023, and the recording stated that the phone number was out of service. Did you do any community service hours?
No, Your Honor.
Did you complete the theft course?
I registered for it. He was supposed to tell me where to go, but he didn't.
All right, so she hasn't done anything. So I don't think she's appropriate for a 1244. All right, the court is going to grant the motion, find you guilty, revoke, and the court will sentence you to 12 months.
And here's a serious takeaway: once you have a felony conviction, federal law bans you from owning firearms. That one decision today, it echoes for the rest of your life. Let that sink in.
In the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney?
Yes.
And did you sign it?
Yes, sir.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Sir.
All right, good luck to you. When you're released from, I'm sorry, I'm going to add the therapeutic community because I know there's a drug issue as well. All right, thank you.
I saw this mug on TikTok, and it's this girl, she does pottery and she makes mugs, and the handle is like different animals, and she did one with dragons, and she said it was based on Fort Wayne. Yeah.
Okay, I'm telling you, that series is so awesome. And you know, what is his name? The guy who starred in Creed and was just in Sinners, Michael B. Jordan. You're like, oh.
Where is it now?
He's going to do the series.
Oh.
I don't know if he's going to be in it, but I know his production. Yeah. I'm telling you, the guy named Zayden, you have to pick the right character for him. You have to pick